Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. If you're new to CapCut and want to edit videos like a pro, here in this video I'm going to show you step by step on how you can use CapCut, the interface, cutting clips, adding music, effects, and exporting. Super simple. Now let's just jump straight into CapCut. So once you open CapCut, you can just hit on new video in here, and then you can just pick your videos right here. Then CapCut will drop them into the timeline automatically. So this is the first skill that every editor needs: trimming and cutting. So to trim, you can just tap on the clip and drag the edges inward to shorten it, just like this. And to split, you can just move the white playhead here to where you want to split and tap on the split option. So use this to remove mistakes, pauses, or unwanted parts. So let's say I'm going to remove the first part of the video. Just click on it and tap on delete. Now to add music, you can just head here, go to audio, and you can choose from CapCut Sounds, your device, or extract audio from a video. So in here, let's see, I'm going to just use the CapCut sound. Let's say I'm going to add this ones right here. You can tap on the plus button. So for a tip for you, you can lower the music a bit under the volume in here so it doesn't drown your voice. You can just turn it down by swiping the slider to the left. Now to add text and captions, you can just go to text, add text. Here you can just add a text that you want. So I'm going to just go with CapCut for beginners, like this. Here you can customize the fonts. Let's see, I'm going to use the bangers font. You can also go to the styles to change the color. You can add animations. I'm going to add in animations in here using this wavy block, just like this. And you can also add shadows on styles in here. You can click on shadow to add shadow to your text, just like this. So you can also use the CapCut auto captions if you want to add subtitles for your videos. Here the auto captions in here. So auto caption or subtitles, it's great for TikTok and YouTube videos, so your viewers will watch your videos easily. And now adding effects and transitions. So for smooth transition, you can here, let's see, I'm going to go with split in here. You can just tap on the white box in between the clips, and then here you can choose the transitions that you want. You can go with the trending one or pick one that you prefer. So I'm going to just go with the display flare, for example. Tap on the check icon and the transition will be automatically added, just like this. And now for effects, you can just go to the effects. Let's say I'm going to go with video effects in here, and I'm going to go with intro and outro here. Let's say I'm going to go with the vertical open, just like this. You can hit on a check icon and you can adjust the intensity or the duration based on your preference. But you need to keep it simple because too many effects can make your video look messy. And next, CapCut has powerful filter and manual adjustment tools. So if you want to do some color grading, what you need to do is just tap on a clip and select adjust And here you can just play with the brightness, contrast, and saturation, and also temperature. Or you can also just choose filters for one-click color grading. And now once you're finished, you can just tap on export on the top right. And for the recommended settings, here you can go with this one in here, sorry. So for the recommended setting resolutions, you can go with 1080p, and the FPS you can go to 30 or 60, and codecs you can go with the Edge 264. So CapCut will save it to your gallery automatically if you click on export. So that's your beginner guide to CapCut in 2025. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. So don't forget to click on the thumbs up and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. So I'll see you in the next one.